What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to manage and bulk edit categories, tags and other taxonomies into your WordPress website for free into a better way. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access dashboard WP admin after your domain name to the browser address bar, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins, and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to find a new field called Search Plugins. Click and type Tag, Category and Taxonomy Manager. AI Auto Tagger OpenAI. All we have to do now is find this plugin right here by Steve. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. And this is going to redirect you to the plugin's welcome page, a page where you can see the plugin dashboard. And of course, you're going to be able to see a new button into your WordPress left sidebar of menus next to plugin called Taxopress. Now, you have the options to enable, okay? This screen allows you to enable and disable Taxopress features for taxonomies, terms, posts, linked terms, terms display, terms content post, related posts, auto links, mass edit terms, auto terms, manage terms, and synonymous, okay? And you have options to upgrade for Pro, but I want to keep all for free. Now, let's move to the submenu taxonomies. Right here, you're going to be able to find all your taxonomies, okay? And you can customize the taxonomies from here. For example, if you click on brands, you're going to be able to fully edit the brands in the way that you wish. For example, post type, permalinks, admin area, other labels, REST API, advanced options, to make things public or not, the order, and you can deactivate or delete this taxonomy in the case that you want. Same thing for terms, and same thing for posts. Then you have the option to terms display. And of course, you can use the shortcode to display this in the way that you want. Current post. Related posts. That is an amazing feature, by the way. You can use the related post default. Auto links. That is one of my favorite options. Into auto links, you can see a couple of options as well. To control, exceptions, options, advanced, and link types, okay? Also, if you go to your posts and, for example, move to categories, and find some category, you're gonna have more options from the old and the full if you go to categories into the Taxopress. You can go to mass edit terms in the case that you want to edit the posts titles into an easier way. You can manage terms in the case that you want, for example, post, category, tags, and you can add or remove, for example, add terms to all posts, or add terms to all links and posts. For example, in the case that you want to, posts, tags, change selection, and you're going to be able to edit the posts in the way that you want. All into a faster way. You can remove terms. You can rename terms, manage terms, or delete unused terms. and that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.